Let me show you how I was able to earn this today. As you can see, this is the money I cashed out from this update today. As you can see, this is I was credited from the platform. Okay, as you can see. So let me show you how you can also make this for free from this update from TONK. Okay, from TONK update. Okay, yeah, but before then, I've seen a lot of people complain that they don't know how to get their wallet address, they don't know how to withdraw. So I'm going to do a little bit recap. So if you want to understand it, please go and watch my two YouTube video I posted. Okay, video before this video, 2 videos below. Please watch them so that you can understand it better. First and foremost, this is how to create wallet. Click on search here. Please just listen to what I'm saying. Okay, click on search, then search for wallets. Okay, this wallet here, you see it. You click on it. All you just have to do is to click on start, and that is all. You've created a wallet. Now, how do you get your TON wallet address? TON wallet address TON. So this is my wallet. All you just have to click on TON. This is it. Okay, click on TON, click on receive, then copy your wallet address. That is all. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, I believe this has explained and justified that now. Okay, so if you want to know how to sell on P2P, let's go and watch my previous videos. I may not have time for that. Quickly, let's go on how you also can make free money on this app. Click on launch app. Okay, so once you click on launch app, let's go to our wallets. Let's see. Can you see it now? This is my main balance. This is my face balance, which means that this face balance is what I will withdraw tomorrow. This one is where they will be launching. That's when I withdraw the interest. So let's go to transaction and see how I've been earning. Can you see 0.5? So I'm showing this transaction. Can you see it? So that when I start explaining, you understand. Okay. Now let's go back to home. So for those that want to copy their wallet address, click on any here. As you can see, click on any here. Okay. Then now this is how to copy your wallet address. Okay. Just click on copy. As you can see. Okay, that's all. This is my network, as you can see. So please, this update, take it very serious. Now let's go to, there are 2 ways to earn, here and here. Now that 2.3 ton I showed you the other time, I got it from this place by playing this game. Majority of you play this game for fun and you're not making money on it online. So this is how you make money on it, on this TONK. Okay, so click on play this tic-tac-toe game. Okay, now as you can see, this withdraw, this is my present balance, this is my also TONK balance. You can see it's changing. This is the level I am. Okay, now let's go to play. Okay, now let me explain this. Now for every game you play, they will deduct 10,000 TONK. Okay, they will deduct 10,000 TONK will be deducted, which means that once you have 10,000 TONK, you can play this game. Okay, now let's click on. So you'll be merged with someone. I've been merged with this. Okay, please follow me carefully. I'm taking my time to play. So what you just have to do is to play the game. Okay, as you can see, if you know how to play this game very well, you are going to make a whole lot of money from it. Okay, as you can see, as I'm playing, and behold, the person is the X. Can you see that we play draw? Can you see? We play what? Draw. Nobody win, nobody loses, as you can see. So which means that the 10K that was deducted has been refunded. Now let me show you. Come, let me show you. Go to transaction. Can you see? Refunded, debited. That is, if you play draw, it will be refunded. But if you lose, it will be debited if you will not be refunded. Okay, so if you win, you'll be given the 0.5 USDT. Now let's go to withdrawal. Let's see how we can withdraw. So the minimum withdrawal here is $5. Okay, minimum withdrawal is $5. Then you have to put your TON wallet address. I believe by now you should understand TON wallet address. If you don't understand it, please go back and watch this video. Okay, from the beginning you understand it better. So you'll be given this number of TON for this number of USDT. Can you see? That was what you saw that get me 2.3 TON that I was having 9,000 something, and I sold it off from Telegram P2P. Okay, if you don't know anything about Telegram P2P, go and watch my previous videos that I posted. Is there how I withdraw to my bank account. Is there, go and watch the video. So that is it. Once you have up to $5, how do you know you have $5? Let me show you. As you can, as I'm taking my time to show you, this way. Can you see? This is $5. This way you know that. Okay, let it change again. Now I'll show you. Once it's 0.5, it's up to $5 that you can withdraw. So that is it. That was how I was able to get that number of, even without withdrawing. Now let me show you a code for those that are going to be withdrawing tomorrow. Okay, lest I forget. Now let me tell you one thing, guys. Please take this serious. Please refer as much as possible. If you can, you cannot spend on to 500k of TONK before you withdraw from this platform. Yes, I don't think I even spent up to 300k or even 200k worth of TONK if I was able to withdraw. So if you are not taking referring on this update serious, you are just wasting your time. Yes, I'm telling the truth. Now about tomorrow update, that the withdrawal will be open by 2 p.m. 1 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, or just have to go to wallet. You put in, let me say I want to withdraw 1 million. The minimum you can withdraw is 1 million. The maximum you can withdraw is 1 million. Then put your TONK wallet address and click on convert. Now let me make this thing clear to you. Tomorrow the withdrawal portal will be open. It is always open 5 minutes before 1 p.m. They'll say 12 p.m. That's if you convert to Nigeria, that's 1 p.m. So it is always open 5 minutes before 1 p.m. So if you are smart, be on this page that I am now, this wallet. Be ready to withdraw. Once it is 5 minutes to 1, just be clicking withdraw. We click on confirm. Even though it's telling you that this phase is over, continue. Before 1 p.m. you'll be able to withdraw. Now I'm showing this trick now, so I don't need to inform you. And even if they say okay, you are withdrawing, let's say 2:30, you should know that that's 3:30 Nigerian time. So which will be like 2:25, you should be on this page, putting your wallet address, type the number of TON you want to withdraw. The minimum is 100,000. The maximum is 100,000. The minimum is 1 million. The maximum is 1 million. The minimum is 10,000. Then click on confirm. So that is it about that. So guys, make sure you refer. Make sure you are playing this game. You cannot spend up to 200,000. I can bet it with you before you withdraw TON worth of $5 from this. So do well to subscribe to my channel, which is very, very important. That's the only way you can also do it. You can also encourage me. Okay guys, so that is all. See you guys. Make sure you share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.